Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Bhairav Show. Today we will discuss how companies can use AI agents without replacing employees. AI agents are often discussed as if they're going to replace employees, but I think that is the wrong way to look at them. The most useful AI agents are not replacements for people. They are workflow assistants that help employees do their work faster, with less friction, and with better access to information. In most companies, the real problem is not that people are lazy or inefficient. The real problem is that people are surrounded by too much information, too many systems, too many repetitive tasks, and too many manual handoffs. A salesperson has to check the CRM, read emails, update notes, prepare follow ups, and remember which lead needs attention. A support person has to read customer tickets, search documentation, check previous conversations, and write replies. A finance person has to compare invoices, contracts, purchase orders, approvals, and policy rules. A manager has to read reports, dashboards, spreadsheets, and updates from different teams. This is where AI agents can help. An AI agent can act like a controlled assistant inside a workflow. It can search information, summarize documents, prepare drafts, suggest next steps, check missing fields, compare records, and even highlight risks. The important word is controlled. A company should not give an AI agent unlimited power on day one. It should start with low risk workflows. For example, let the AI agent draft a customer reply, but let a human approve it. Let the agent summarize a sales pipeline, but let the sales manager decide what action to take. Let the agent check an invoice, but let the finance team approve the payment. This is how companies can use AI agents without replacing employees. They use agents to remove repetitive work, not human judgment. They use agents to prepare information, not blindly make decisions. They use agents to make employees faster, not irrelevant. The best AI implementation is not one where humans disappear. The best implementation is one where humans have better tools, better context, and more time for valuable work. So if you're thinking about AI agents, do not start by asking which employees can we replace. Start by asking which repetitive tasks are slowing down our best employees. That question will lead to much better AI workflows. And in the long run, companies that use AI agents will not simply have fewer people. They will have people who can do more meaningful work with less manual burden. That is the real opportunity. Thank you for listening to another podcast of The Bhairav Show.